This is a real life story of a man named Kareli Tassacs. In 1938, when Kareli was in Korean army, he was a very strong man and was the best pistol shooter in that country. All the national championships which were held in that country were won by him. At that time, he was practicing a lot to win the 1940s Olympic, and his only focus, only dream was to be the best pistol shooter in the world. He was practicing day and night for his dream, but in 1939 there was a training camp going on for the Korean army, and as he is being in the army, got involved in it. There he got into a very serious accident. A hand grenade blast in his hand and he lost his right hand. His world seemed lost, but he didn't give up. Now he was left with two options. Number 1, escape from that country and cry for life, or number 2, to fulfill his dream anyhow. He took the second option. He didn't focus or even think of what he didn't have. Instead, he focused on what he was having, and that was his left hand. Within a week, he started training with his left hand for shooting. Nobody knew that he was practicing for 1940s Olympic, but 1940s Olympics got cancelled due to World War. But he didn't lose hope. Instead, he focused on 1944's Olympic, but it also got cancelled due to World War. Now he became very upset, but didn't give up. He focused on 1948's Olympic, and he went there for competing with the best shooters of the world. Nobody knew that he came to compete with them, but he told them that he went to compete with them. All the shooters were competing with their best hands, and this man was competing with the only hand. And guess who wins? Yes, Kareli won, but he didn't stop there. He focused on the next 1952 Olympics and he won. And by winning 1952 Olympic, he made a record of winning gold 2 times in a row. So from his life, we learn never to cry for what we lose, but try to achieve something from what we have.